Creating a website requires a systematic approach and a few essential steps. Let's Get Started continues to type on the computer screen. We see the following steps appearing on the screen, accompanied by visuals and descriptions. 1. Plan your website. First, plan your website. Determine its purpose, target audience, and the content you want to showcase. Sketch a basic layout to visualize the structure and hierarchy of the pages. 2. Register a domain name. Opening a web browser and visiting a domain registration website. Next, register a domain name. Choose a unique, memorable domain name that reflects your brand or website's purpose. Check if it's available and purchase it from a reliable domain registrar. 3. Choose a web hosting service, browsing different web hosting options and comparing features. Select a web hosting service that suits your website's needs. Consider factors like server reliability, performance, customer support, and pricing. Sign up for a hosting plan and configure your domain to point to the hosting provider's servers. 4. Design your website. Design your website by creating a mock-up or wireframe. Determine the visual elements, color scheme, typography, and overall user interface. You can use web design software or hire a professional designer for this stage. 5. Develop your website. Now it's time to develop your website. Convert your design into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Ensure your website is responsive, meaning it adapts to different screen sizes and devices. 6. Add functionality. Enhance your website's functionality by adding features such as contact forms, search capabilities, social media integration, or e-commerce functionality. Utilize frameworks or libraries to expedite the development process. 7. Optimize for search engines. Optimize your website for search engines to improve its visibility. Perform keyword research. Optimize meta tags. Ensure proper heading hierarchy, and create meaningful URLs. Make your website load quickly and mobile-friendly. 8. Test and debug. Thoroughly test your website across different browsers, devices, and screen sizes. Ensure all pages, links, and forms function correctly. Debug any issues and make necessary adjustments. 9. Launch your website. Once you're satisfied with the website's functionality and design, it's time to launch it. Upload your files to the web server, double-check all configurations, and make your website accessible to the World 10. Maintain and update. Remember, maintaining and you